Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Sims 4 on PS4 with keyboard and mouse, updated. Plug a compatible USB keyboard and mouse into the PS4 and launch the game, then open Settings to enable alternate input. Assign keys for build, camera, and UI navigation so actions feel natural. Test basic movement, clicking interactions, and menu shortcuts in a safe save. I'll guide you through troubleshooting lag, mapping, and comfort. Map keys to match PC habits while keeping console ergonomics in mind for smooth play. Start with camera, select, and action keys, then craft shortcuts for build tools and UI toggles. Keep important commands on easy reach keys to avoid hand strain during long sessions. If your keyboard has profiles, save one specifically for The Sims 4 to switch quickly. I'll show practical examples and explain why each mapping helps gameplay flow. When things don't respond, simple fixes often solve the problem without drama. Test another USB port, use a shorter cable, or plug directly into the console to cut lag. Turn off paired controllers or adjust controller settings so the keyboard stays primary. Make sure Ps4 firmware and The Sims 4 are up to date to avoid known compatibility issues. I'll walk you through checks and show how to isolate the cause effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.